Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Shopify account. Let's get started. So to create a Shopify account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for Shopify Signup. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this option which is build your store with Shopify. After tapping on that, now what you have to do is just provide the email address that you would like to create a Shopify account with. Now after entering your email address, what you can do is just simply create a password for your account. So what you have to do is just create a strong password which must have at least 8 characters. After creating a password, what you can do is just tap on create Shopify account. So after entering your email address and password, you have successfully created an account, and now to get started with your account, what you can do is just simply answer some questions. So it's asking you where would you like to sell. So select any one of these options, or you can select multiple options like an online store, social media, online marketplace. After doing that, now what you can do is just tap on next. Now what you can answer is you should answer which of the best describes you. So if you are a beginner, what you can do is just tap on I'm just starting, or you can just tap on I'm already selling online or in person if you have experience. So after selecting that option, now what you can do is what do you plan to sell first? So you have to select one of these options. What are you interested in selling? After selecting the option, what you can do is just tap on get started, and you have successfully created and set up your Shopify account. So that's it guys, this is how to create a Shopify account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.